Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and today we are cruising on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. Right now we're going to give you a full room tour of an interior cabin on deck 9. So when you walk in, you've got the bathroom right here. These are pretty good sized bathrooms, I would say, for a cruise ship. In the bathroom, you've got your toilet, plenty of storage, towels. Of course, you can always ask for more towels. So I'm gonna come out of the bathroom here, show you guys the rest of the room. So in the room, you've got two different sections. You've got your seating area and your sleeping area. So your seating area is this nice big couch, and on either side, you're gonna have a closet. It has your safe in it. And then below you have a few drawers. All right, one more thing in this area. You've got a desk with, let's see, you have 3 US plugs. If you have those converters, bring them because there are 2 European plugs. And then there's 1 USB plug and 1 USB-C plug. So I'm gonna turn us around here to our sleeping area. So for us, the 2 beds are pushed together to kind of make this Royal Caribbean king size bed. And then of course you've got your big TV here. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already. If you're interested in booking this cruise, an interior cabin on Utopia of the Seas, or any other vacation, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to be your travel agent.